Mapagpalang araw mga kababayan, isa na namang kapanapanabik at nakakaaliw na kwento mula sa ating kababayang Pinoy ang ating matutunghayan.
You know, maybe Brooker should be more aggressive. Should he be trying to
A man heard you at 5 feet 10 inches tall and 190 assault that ham and win by Salt Papi.
Isa na naman nating kababayan ang gumagawa ng karangalan at pangalan sa mundo ng boxing sa katauhan ni Nathaniel Bustamante na mas kilala bilang Super Salt Papi. Si Salt Papi ay isang influencer na kasulukuyang nakikilala din sa larangan ng boxing. Sa kanyang gilas at galaw, katulad niya ay si Majin Buu na kaibigan ni Master Pogi. Siya ay anak ng parehas na Pinoy na kasulukuyang naninirahan sa United Kingdom. Bilang YouTuber at influencer, siya ay may 5.4 million followers na sa TikTok, 1.1 million sa Instagram at 600k sa YouTube. Samantala, dahil halos karamihan sa mga batang Pinoy ay napapanood ang husay at galing ng ating pambansang kamao Manny Pacquiao, kaya naman may tuturing na naging impluwensya ito sa kanya. Kaya sa edad na 10 taon, ay nakahiligan niya ang mundo ng boxing.
So how did you get Salt Papi into boxing?
I don't know. He's always watching, because we're always watching Manny Pacquiao fights, so that's why maybe.
Kaya naman, taong 2022 ay pinasok ni Super Majin Buu, ni Super Salt Papi ang mundo ng boxing. Dahil na rin sa ipinamalas niya na talento, kaya naman buo ang tulong at suporta ng kanyang pamilya. At personal trainer niya ang kanyang ama. Samantala noong August 2022, ay nakalaban niya ang Canadian boxer na si Andy Warski, na sa ambog at angas nito, sobrang lakas ang bilib sa kanyang sarili.
Really? First round?
Yeah, that's my plan.
Buddy, come on, bro. Not even close. What are you doing? No one thinks I will win. And to all the haters out there,
London, you're going down. You hear me? No, I trained really hard for this. I'm really excited for this. So it's an honor to even be here. And yeah, I'm gonna smash them.
Kaya naman, sa 20 seconds pa lang ng first round, ay pinatikim na agad ni Super Majin Buu Salt Papi ang pagsik ng kanyang kamao sa maangas na Canadian boxer na kanya itong in-knockout. Bagsak ang mayabang na kano. Celebrate si Majin Buu syempre. Si Salt Papi. Wagi ang Pinoy.
Salt Papi is the real deal! The Philippines celebrate! 1, 2, 3, light 'em up!
Panalo si Salt Papi via first round knockout. Samantala, taong 2023 nang harapin ni Salt Papi ang maskulado, mas matangkad na Amerikano na si Joshua Faulkner. Animo, naglalaro lamang si Majin Buu, si Salt Papi, at pinaglalaroan lamang ang kanyang Amerikanong kalaban.
Papi told him he was too slow, that 8-1 to the body. Too much. I'm sorry, Wade, but Parker just being way too stiff on knees. Shot.
Sa second round, Knockout ang inabot ng Amerikano at ginamitan ni Salt Papi ng straight uppercut, pagsak ang kano.
What a shot! Man! All over! Big trade!
Panalo si Salt Papi by a first round knockout. May 11, 2024 ay muling napasabak ng laban si Salt Papi sa Polish boxer na si Amadeus Roslik na mas kilala bilang Amadeus Ferrari. Sa angas at yabang nito ay masyadong minaliit ang ating kababayan at tila ba sobrang bilib sa kanyang sarili na walang kakayanan ng Pinoy at gusto na nitong lamunin at sindakin ng Pinoy. Sa simula pa lamang ng laban ay nagpalitan ng magkabilang kombinasyon ang dalawa. Subalit bugbog at sakit sa katawan ang inabot ni Ferrari. Pinaglaruan lamang ni Salt Papi ang kanyang kalaban at napabagsak niya ito sa second round. Leotic ang inabot nito na tila ba kailangan na ng bonamin.
Papi can bring him in the corner. He has gotten underneath Salt Papi's skin. Oh! Physicality from Ferrari. Similar to the Josh Bruckner fight where Salt Papi in corner. Oh my God! Salt Papi's in serious trouble. He's smiling though. I'll tell you what, you can keep smiling. You can't take too many more of these. He's got that same look in his eye. Oh my! Salt Papi needs to move his feet. The thing about Ferrari is he's used to playing 5-minute rounds. Oh, and he's dangerous, Ferrari. Wow. Maybe it was a punch on the inside. You see these MMA guys when you're a clever me. Papi is cut. Amadeus went down. This is the longest. He's trying to get clipped. Papi trying to run down Ferrari. Salt Papi was covered in blood around his chest now. Oh, but look at Salt Papi trying to time the left straight. It's not easy though, because this guy's leading with his head. It's dangerous actually. He's trying to ride his head into the second point. He's doing it. He is doing it. He's leading with the head and everything. Well, Ferrari's leading his head into the other man's open wound. I'm actually worried this guy might go for it to sort of dominate this fight. Oh, did catch him there, just itching to throw that right hand. There it is. Even with the cut, I mean, he is unfazed. And Ferrari almost went through the ropes, staring to left. Now they're swinging. And there's your takedown. He's got one speed, this guy. 100%. That's what I want to see. It's like he's locking in. Salt Papi's finger in. The optics when he gets hit, they just don't look good. Ferrari doesn't take it. Punches like a boxer should. He's cannot be killed. This guy has stole the show this week tonight. Those long-range shots, those straight shots that he knocked out Josh Bruckner with, they're safe plays for him. This isn't safe. Ferrari clearing time, lets him away in one of these big wild shots. This guy, come on now. That's a great story. He's taking him apart. This is a dissection from Super Salt. Actually tired as well. What's he doing? Oh, taking a point. Yeah, Ferrari misfits with little gas tank.
Pagkatapos ng third round ay hindi na tumayo ang kalaban kaya naman panalo si Salt Papi by a third round referee technical decision dahil umayaw na ang kalaban. Nito lamang July 7, 2024 ay muling lumaban si Salt Papi sa Coca-Cola Arena sa Dubai kung saan hinarap niya ang Turkish boxer na si The Winter BC na mas kilala bilang The Wood Savage. 3 beses na napaluhod ang Turkish boxer at sa unang round pa lamang ay sagad sa body shot ang mga suntok na nagbagsak sa Turkish boxer at tila ba nagmalfunction ang kidney ng kalaban hanggang sa tuluyan na nga itong napahiga sa sobrang sakit.
Salt Papi is going forward only.
Yeah, Poppy's just asking him, come on, commit.
Ooh.
Nice body shots
no,
there.
No, it's done. Body shot. Oh, body shot. I don't think he can come out of this. Ooh, he hit it so hard. His kidney decided to have some salt and pepper.
He's got a 7, 8. He's going to continue.
Yes, he wants to continue.
He's going to continue
So-
reluctantly, but I think Poppy just smells blood now. He's toying with him at this moment. He can finish it.
You know, Savage is no Savage.
He could definitely finish it if he wants to here.
But that was sheer power, by the way, and beautiful body shot. That we haven't seen a lot of body shots this evening, Adi.
I totally disagree with you. It's all been about body shots. But I think he's done, man. I think that first body shot took it out of him.
You know, the 3 knockdown
Rule, yeah.
is in effect, right? So if he gets one more time down,
He's gonna finish it right now. I mean, he should.
let's see if another body shot coming in his way. And Salt Papi did not break a sweat, Ali.
Not even. But just complete different level.
That's a 3 knockdown rule.
That's gonna hurt, man.
Awful.
That's gonna hurt.
Panalo si Super Majin Buu si Super Salt Papi by a first round technical knockout. Anong masasabi mo sa ating kwento? Maaari kang magbigay ng komento sa ibaba. Paki-like and subscribe na rin mga kababayan. Shoutout nga po pala sa Team Boss B at sa ating mga followers. Maraming salamat sa panonood. Hanggang sa muli. God bless!